Well, got my bikini ready. So hopefully I'll get a few bucks. They might pay me to put the clothes back on, mate.
Hello.
G'day, how you going?
Good, thank you.
Sweet. Robbo here, reporting for Aussie Beach TV at Daytona Powersports. What's going on today, love?
Bikini car wash.
Sweet. I've seen you out there on the road, bringing a few people in, doing a good job.
Yeah, of course, always.
Awesome. So what's the cause today? We're raising money for martial arts school, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Sweet. What's the name of the school?
No idea.
Wow, awesome.
They never told me.
That's all right. We know it's kung fu.
Yeah.
So we're going to teach some of the girls a few basic moves, some self-defense things while we're here, and get all squeaky clean at the same time, mate. Sweet.
Aussie Beach TV. You're watching Aussie Beach TV. You're watching Aussie Beach TV. The hottest girls you will ever see. Aussie Beach TV. Aussie Beach TV. You're watching Aussie Beach TV. The hottest girls you will ever see.
Go!